In this video, I will be showing you how to make a restaurant menu in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen by clicking into the search bar and typing in restaurant menu to see what templates are available. I'm going to scroll through the results to find a style that fits my vision. There are thousands of options, but I'm looking for something with a rustic, professional feel. I found a great one called the Brown Rustic Restaurant Menu, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Now that the template is loaded, I'll start by updating the menu items and pricing. I'll click on the first heading and change it to Truffle Arancini. Then I'll adjust the price to $16. Next, I'll move to the second item and rename it to Herb Crusted Rack of Lamb, updating that price to $45. For the third dish, I'll type in pan-seared scallops and set the price to $38. Finally, I'll change the last item to an espresso creme brulee and set the price at $13. I'll also take a moment to quickly tweak the description text for the dessert to match the new dish. I want to customize the look further, so I'll click on the background and open the color palette. I'm going to experiment with a few different shades to see what looks best with the wooden accents. After trying a few options, I'll settle on this rich, dark brown. Now I'll update the branding by changing the restaurant name to km.co. To give it more character, I'll browse through the font library. I'll select Copperplate for the main name and then change the font for the word restaurant to Plate Gothic to create a nice visual contrast. To add some decorative elements, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for a table napkin. I'll select a graphic that fits the theme, then drag it onto the canvas to rotate and position it near the bottom. Now I'm going to replace the stock photos with high-quality AI-generated images. I'll open the Magic Media tool and type in a descriptive prompt for the crispy arancini balls. Once the images are generated, I'll select the best one and drag it right into the existing frame. I want to add another photo, so I'll search for a circle frame in the Elements tab and place it on top of the wooden plate. I'll go back to Magic Media and enter a prompt for the rack of lamb with pea puree and roasted vegetables. I'll generate the images and snap my favorite one into the new frame. I'll repeat this process for the scallops and the creme brulee, using specific prompts to ensure the food looks delicious and consistent with the rest of the menu. For the final touches, I'll search for a splatter element to add some artistic texture to the background. I'll choose a white splatter, move it to the corner, and flip it for a better fit. I'll then adjust the transparency so it blends subtly into the background. I'll duplicate that element for the top corner to balance the design. Now that everything is aligned and the images are updated, the menu is ready to go. Creating a professional and unique restaurant menu is easy when you combine Canva's templates with custom AI tools.